Hi everybody, it's Amy from Bargain Beauty. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you haven't subscribed already, please feel free to do so. So on Monday, I actually went to two Dollar Trees. If you have not seen that video, check it out. I kept a few items from you guys that I wanted to haul, and I didn't want you to have to see it on repeat. You know what I'm saying? And because Monday I put so many items in, I felt like I could keep a couple to myself and show you later, but trust me, it was killing me. I wanted to show you. So anyway, guys, I found all of the sponges, which is awesome because I'm going to put some away for Christmas gifts and some I'm actually giving to a family member now. So I am so super happy I found these, but there's a but. I don't know how good they are. So there was 4 different kinds at my store. If you had more than 4, let me know. They had this pack right here. And it has a strawberry, an orange slice, and a watermelon. Well, like a watermelon slice, just like the orange. They feel funky. I don't know. They don't feel that great. The rope is really chintzy. I mean, 3 for $1, it's 33 cents a piece. It's still a good deal, I think. We'll see once we soak them in this water. I have hot water in front of me. Okay, so then I also got this 3-pack. And this one is for newborns, bath time, approximately 7 washes per sponge under normal use, tear-free, hypoallergenic, unscented, specifically designed for babies up to 6 months, mild and gentle. I think that's probably a rubber ducky. I don't know, because I haven't opened yet. And then we've got these, and they are aloe vera. Soothing aloe vera. Oh, this one is for newborns bath time. So right out the gate, that's for the little ones. And then soothing aloe vera, all the same, mild and gentle, body wash and spa, tear-free, all the same. And I will actually open these up after we test these out. I just don't want this water to get cold on us. This one is the Sports and Shapes. Isn't this so super cute? Well, it's hard for you guys to see. So I'll open the boxes. I will open the boxes for you guys. Soap-filled sponges, body wash, 3 count. Yeah, I'll open the box. Let's stop dilly-dallying around here, guys. Let's not waste any more time. You guys know I like to get right into it. That took me longer than usual because I'm trying to figure it out, to be honest. Doesn't seem that difficult, but kind of observing it, the sponges. I'm wondering if they're all like this one. Okay. So far we decided crappy rope. Feels kind of, well, it's synthetic, of course, but let's see if it changes and how much it lathers up. Gosh, my hand looks like a monster when it's up that close. So it's sudsing up, but it doesn't feel soapy. Uh-oh. All the green stuff is coming off. No way. It's making my nails look horrible. That's going to come off on the baby. Why would you want that? I have to say, it doesn't even feel like it looks like a lot of soap, but it doesn't feel soapy at all. I don't even know how to explain it. It doesn't. It's like water, but it's soaping up a lot. But I would definitely put it in the water, or like in the sink first, and get all that off so it's not on your kiddo. But wow, it does soap up a lot. So yeah, you definitely could get 7 washes out of that for sure. Look at that. Yeah, for sure. It's such the lightest bubble though. It's so hard to explain. But that's a disappointment that comes off. They should have just left it off. I get they want it to look like a strawberry, but at the same time, they either should have dyed the foam or left it off completely. Because who wants that all over their kiddo? Not I. Okay, guys, let's talk about it for a second. I'll show you what's in each of the kits. So this is the one that's for newborns. It's the little bear, the little heart, and the little ducky. And it's supposed to be the gentlest one out of all 4 sets. I absolutely think the smell is the most gentle. The sponge is exactly the same texture. But it doesn't have the smell that this aloe vera has. The aloe vera comes with the bear, the duck, and the little heart. Honestly, if you have any, it's strong. If you don't like perfumey smells, I would absolutely skip this aloe one. And quite frankly, they're almost the same, except for color-wise, as the ones for the infants. I would grab the infants. I would skip the aloe if you're sensitive to smell. Because that made me... Oh my God, it's so strong. Like, so strong. I'm not being dramatic. It's strong. And this one's like, you barely smell it. It's very, very gentle. So that's a heads up. And then this is the Sports Shapes. Those are strong too. I'm not going to lie. They're not as strong as the aloe. They're not as mild as the newborn. They're like in the middle. Not great, guys. These ones are good. These ones don't smell like fruit to me. I'm trying to think of how I can explain the smell. What does it smell like? It reminds me of something like as a kid, like you get out of a machine, or like it's a certain toy and I can't put my finger on it. I can't remember. If you guys have smelled these, bought these, tell me what you think. I think yes to the newborn, yes to the fruit, except look what happened. But look how big the sponge gets. Like, look at the little sponge. It gets probably 2.5 times its size. It gets pretty big. It's a lot of sponge. Look at that. And it's still sudsing away. So, if I were to buy these again, I would just get this one and this one. The cute factor, not as important as how strong the smell is. So that's my honest review. Let's move on to another item. Alright guys, so in my last video, I thought these were 1-pound boxes, and you guys were so kind to help me out. They're 2-pound boxes. They are 2 individual bags at £1 each. So I actually thought I was getting a good deal at $1 for a pound. I got $1 for 2 pounds of breadcrumbs. So I'll never be able to use all these, so I'm going to give 1 box of these away to a family member, and I'm going to keep 1 box. But I'm so happy to be wrong. Like, I got 2 pounds of breadcrumbs for $1 when I was thinking I only got a pound. So thank you guys for showing me that. I probably would have figured it out when I got home. But in the store, I mean, the lights are bright. There's people walking all around me that you don't see. I kind of shuttle you guys over, and I huddle over you guys, and I protect you in my little phone. And I try and but I'm dodging things that you guys don't even get to see that are going on each side of me and behind me. So there probably is going to be some mistakes. It's going to happen. But I'm so happy to be wrong on this one. Now, I got 2 of these sugar cookies. These actually don't expire till the end of December, so I'm probably going to put these aside for Christmas time. And I also have a vacuum sealer, so I can seal these up even tighter than they already are, because there seems to still be some air in there. So I can literally press that down, and it would probably last way past December. But I'm going to put these aside. I've been building up my baking goods because I just did a huge purge of everything in my storage for food, and I really wanted to refresh and just bring out some new items, and these will be great for the holidays. So I'm super happy about those. I will put those in my baking storage. And then I just got Betty Crocker coming through for us, right? Fudge brownies, a super simple basic brownie. I just hit my phone. I'm so sorry guys. Super simple, no big whoop. But I thought I would share with you guys fudge brownie mix. These don't expire till March of 2019. So that was really good. I got 1, 2, and oh, I'm about to justify this. 3, 4, 5, and I bought an odd number, which I never do. Here's how I'm justifying buying all of this, especially these, because look, guys, I'm such a healthy eater. Such a healthy eater. I am a role model. Yes, I am. 10 whole grain oats, no artificial flavors, no artificial colors, no artificial preservatives. Oh, I'm so freaking healthy. They are the coconut white chip bars. Yum. And I am a lazy goose when it comes to cookies. I don't like putting a dozen in, taking them out, putting a dozen more in. I love bars. I always make cookie bars, even if I'm making chocolate chip cookies. These are bars. And guys, you don't even need eggs for these. You just need butter and water. I'm so healthy, right? I know. You're jealous. I know. You want to be me and be as healthy as I am. I hear you. You can attain your goals too. All you have to do is go overspend at the Dollar Tree. Okay, guys. So I did not show these in the last video either, because I didn't show any of the baked goods in the shop with me video because I wanted to make it separate for the haul. And then I didn't show you guys the Texas style honey sweet cornbread mix. I don't have this at my store. These are 16 ounces. And I thought about dividing them up into half because I really don't need 16 ounces. But what I can do is I can bake them, I can vacuum seal them, and throw them in the freezer. I was going to like make the mix in half, but you need 3 eggs for these. And I don't know how you really divide 3 eggs in half. You know what I mean? But 16 ounces is so good. So you need milk and 3 eggs and the mix. So super easy, just not very easy to divide it. So I'll just bake them all up at one time, as I said. Now these I did show you in my last Dollar Tree video. These are the wall hooks. I did get these for a gift. Got that one and this one. You guys have probably seen these. They're all over YouTube at this point. The store got them a little late, but they still got them, so I'm happy. Never give up hope, guys. Never give up. You never know when the item that you want is going to come to your store. I know it gets frustrating. You guys think like I have the best DTs, and I do. I mean, I do have good DTs. Are they the best? No. There are so many people on YouTube. There are so many stores that get things so much quicker than I do. So much quicker. I just saw and purchased in the last month the egg containers for the refrigerator, then the soda container for the refrigerator. I saw people hauling that a year ago. So it is what it is, guys. You just got to treat it like a treasure hunt. And sometimes you get super lucky, and sometimes you just got to be patient. Okay, so anti-itch cream. I purchased this because I had a spider bite, blah, blah, blah. But my point of that story is I used the Walgreens generic one because I had to go get my antibiotic when I got bit by the spider a couple weeks ago, right? And so I just bought the Walgreens one because I was like, I didn't feel good. I just wanted to get home. You know how that is, right? I took that home, that Walgreens one that's supposed to be just like Benadryl. Guys, it did nothing. Nada, zip, zero, zilch. I was like, what? Usually generic is just exactly what the product it copies is, right? So I was like, all that night I was itching like crazy. I was like, I can't. So I had to go to film at Dollar Tree. I picked up one of these, put it on my leg right in the car because it was bad. It was bad, guys. I'd show you the picture of my leg, but it was really gross. So it was all blistery. It was bad. How many times am I going to say bad in the same paragraph? Okay, anyway, this works so good. Poison ivy, poison oak, poison sumac, and insect bites. This works so good, and it's made in the USA. Love that, but grab that. It works. And the other thing that worked really good that Walgreens didn't come through for on me either on the generic brand of the Walgreens. This works so good, the triple antibiotic from Dollar Tree, guys. So good. It's compared to Neosporin's original ointment. So I definitely I want to replace these because I already opened the other ones. So I wanted to put these in my first aid bag just to have them. And I think that's, oh, one more item. I did grab another one of these sharpening stones. I have a tile kitchen floor, unfortunately. I don't like tile. I don't. I know everyone likes, well, not everyone, but a lot of people like tile. I'm not a fan because I drop everything and I break everything on this kitchen floor. It's so bad. So I broke my block, so I grabbed another one. This sharpening stone works so well on my knives. I absolutely love it. Love, love, love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this interesting and not too boring. I've been doing more hauls lately, but I don't generally do hauls anymore because I don't know. Are you guys interested? Do you want to see hauls? Let me know in the comment section below. And the next video will be a shop with me at Dollar Tree. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.